Happy birthday, Reg. I'm excited to see you in my OR class.
Sige. Happy birthday, Reg. I hope to see more of you on campus and sa SV din. Kita tayo.
Happy birthday, Ate. Kat says hi.
Happy birthday, Regina May. You're so pretty today.
Okay.
Regine, ikaw ay isang atis kasi ikaw ay mabuto.
Okay. Oh, go.
Reg, ikaw ay isang strawberry dahil ikaw, marami kang buto sa labas pero sa loob masarap at sobrang smooth.
Ikaw daw yung prutas, ikaw, sabi ng tatay, hindi ko maisip dahil pero ikaw ay masarap, sana magbaging masarap, matamis ka habang buhay.
Happy 80th birthday pala!
Happy 80th birthday.
Pasang durian kasi makinig ka. Yun lang.
Chico. Alam mo yung Chico? Kasi, yun. Alam mo na yun.
Hello, Reg. Happy birthday!
You are very cute, I know.
Happy birthday, Jenny May, from us here in the mountains of Virginia. May you be blessed forever.
We miss you. We love you. We had fun while we were with you on our vacation. Happy birthday! Happy 18th, Gina May.
Hi, happy birthday, G.
Happy birthday, Gina May.
Well, you're a young lady. Already an adult. I cannot imagine you living there before. We love you. And we hope that you continue to be a blessing to all those. Banana. Kasi, most of the time matamis. Kung minsan medyo mas saklud. Bakla. Oo. Pero most of the time, sweet. If you were a fruit, I would compare you to a cherry. Because cherries are so beautiful in the spring. You know, the blossoms are just absolutely gorgeous. There is no way to explain how beautiful they are. That's the way I compare you to a beautiful little girl that has no blossom or a nice lady. Ikaw yate kamyas kasi madali kang mag-sour ang face pagka may naririnig ka. Pero pagka naman maganda-ganda ang inyong panahon, mangga ka.
Yes, Regina May is a flower. Actually, when she was born, she was really so precious that my wife thought that she had a love which is much even deeper and warmer than her own children. Okay, Regina, on your 18th birthday, we thank God for you and we greet you. Happy birthday.
Apo, I'm greeting you for your mama because I already greeted you as your Lola on your birthday. But I'm sure if your mommy were here, she would be one of the proudest, if not the proudest mamas in the whole world. Happy birthday, darling. Happy 18th birthday, Regine. God bless you.